Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing video of a printer. So let me just go and bring the scissors. So I'm going to do the unboxing video of Canon printer as my dad loves Canon or HP. So he likes Canon and HP. So that's why, guys. Oh, I just got it. Okay, so let's go upstairs and do the unboxing video. So, guys, I just came up. Dad is setting something in the GoPro. Now we're going to do the unboxing video. So, guys, we're now going to do it. Dad is setting the GoPro. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing part. So, how are you feeling, Dad?
I'm really excited to open it.
We we also bought some A4 papers just in case it doesn't have it in the pack. Okay, guys, so Dad is going to unbox, and here he goes. Okay, so we have unboxed one side. Next, he's going to do that side. So, guys, hope you can see it. He's a little struggling, but he's doing it, guys. Done. And now the middle part is still remaining, and he's unboxing it. And done. Oh man, guys. Now, oh man. Oh, it is a HP white printer. Here goes the trash and or rubbish or garbage, and here comes the printer out. Hope you can see it, guys.
Basil.
He's just turning it around. Shall I help? Shall I help? Okay, so guys, I am also helping without his permission. Oh man. Oh man. Yes. But yes.
Take that out.
Yeah. And here it's a simple multitask desk jet. It's like this. You can manage it in your phone at a glance. You can pause this if you want to read it. Then,
GoPro, stop recording.
and this also you can pause it. And then here's now we are going to unbox it. So here's the scissors. Let's go and take out the scissors. Here are we going to unbox it. Guys, he started to unbox this. He's unboxing it. There's the GoPro. And here is Dad unboxing it. Open it goes. Oh man, how will it look, guys? So here you can pause this to if you read it, if you want to read it. Also, we'll show you. No, not this at the end. Yeah, you can pause this. And let's see what's more inside. Then here's this never run out and save up to 70% on ink. Let's see what's up there. Oh, here comes the printer, I think. Yeah, here's the printer, guys. Over here, there is what's that?
Cartridge.
Cartridge?
Yeah, it's a cartridge actually.
What is cartridge?
Cartridge means it is a ink.
Oh, ink. And here comes the cable out.
This is another cartridge.
Uh, two cartridges. And here's the wire.
Cable.
Wire or a cable. Let's see. The printer is right over there. Hope you guys can see it. He's just turning it around. He's looking. Oh, guys. Oh, shit. This is cool. Oh, funny cardboard piece. Let's see what's here comes out. The printer, guys. Printer. The printer. Oh man, this border thingy looks like eggs. Eggs thing. So he's just figuring out how to unbox this. Oh man, guys, the printer is just covered in plastic. Just need a scissor. I'm gonna go and take the scissor and let's put the scissor right over here next to that. And now he's unboxing it, guys. I'm also going to feel the texture. Don't scratch it, okay? Dad,
No, I won't.
never ever scratch the printer, guys, or else something might happen. And I will say never ever take a sharp thing and poke it to that. Uh, what can you say? Yeah, that ink ink pot, because the ink might come out and ruin the printer. So guys, this might take a little while. So guys, he's just brought the table for the printer. There's the GoPro. So for you may be asking, where should we be keeping this? You see that drawer or that little compartment? I'm going to keep it there. So it's quite a great printer. So let us see what's in the information book. Guys, one more thing I'm thinking. This part or sellotape. If we rip off this, I think this might go like this, or like this. So yeah, Dad is just reading the information book, a setup guide, and here's the referential drive. So let's meet in 1 minute. So guys, he's just put it the printer. Now he's doing something, investigating the GoPro. So Dad, can I remove this? Okay, so here's the cable, guys. He's just unrolling it. This might take a little. Okay, I was going to say a little while. Uh, just putting it right over there, and here's the plug or something. But this is quite great, guys. He's doing. This is a printer from HP. And we just ordered this from Amazon. Get it? Investigating what's side and taking out the last roll. Okay, so there was also cardboard. Now let's
Cartridge.
uh this right? This right?
Don't know.
Okay, so I'll give one unboxed. So yeah, guys, I didn't. It took me a little while, but I could not open the cartridge. And Dad is opening like Sonic. HP something. Okay, guys. So here's the sound. Can I bring out the paper?
Hold on.
He's just checking out what's going to happen. So yeah, guys. So I'm going to do a little time lapse here. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, there is not even something holding the phone. I'll show you at the front side. Check this out, guys. So guys, there is nothing right over here. If you don't believe me, I'll show you in my dad's channel. Dad, I'm going to post that video that I showed you.
Yes.
But it's Marathi. So yeah, guys, I'll show you this one. Not in my phone because I'm just recording it in my phone. So that's why I'm going to record it in my dad's this thing GoPro. So yeah, guys, I'll see you. Yes, that's it of the printer. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will be on my channel. And like this video and share it with your friends. Bye bye.